This tutorial is going to be pretty short. It's all about how you download Python. Okay, so if you want to find Python, you just go to python.org. Alright, when you get there, you're gonna have a page looking like this, and then you're gonna go to downloads. Okay, and then depending on what machine you're using, if you're using Windows, you're gonna click on that. If you're using Mac, you're gonna click on that. Well, I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna click on Windows and let it load, and then you have Python 3 over here and Python 2 over here. It's always best to use the latest release. I guess it depends on a person's preferences, and then you're gonna have all these options to download. Alright, and there's a lot of options, right? So some of you might get confused. Basically what it means is you just look at the date, the release date. Alright, these are all Python. It's just different releases on different days, and the latest one is going to be this one right here, 2018, 1st of the 31st. Well, usually a later release means less bugs and more reliable. So you can either download depending on your machine, but the best one you can download is this one for Windows. So download this one. This is the one that I prefer, executable installer. You can use the web-based installer if you have a good internet. And then this one is just a zip file. Maybe you want to share share Python with somebody, or you want to just download the zip file and extract it. But keep it this one, x86 or 64. Okay, so you're gonna click on this. Boom. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it again. But after download, it's not really a big file. It's a really small file. You see, it's 24.7 megabytes. It's really small. It's gonna look like this. Okay, and then you're gonna double click on the installer as usual, and then you're gonna follow the prompts until it has installed. Now, if you want to use Python, I definitely recommend that it's better not to use any other editor because of the language itself and spacing. It's so sensitive when it comes to spacing, and you're gonna see if you haven't started learning how to code with Python, or you haven't started learning Python, you're gonna see. So it's better if you use the Python editor. Alright, let me just look for it. So if you want to find it, you're going to go to your start menu. It depends on which machine you're using, but I'm using Windows 10, so I find it in the start menu. There you are, right over there, Python. And there's going to be a drop down menu. You're going to use the IDLE, right? So just click on it. It's taking its time. Alright, there we go. It's gonna look like this. Alright, so yeah, so basically you're gonna be coding here. Okay, better if you code here than if you use an editor like Visual Studio or any other editor. Use the Python editor. It's gonna be very beneficial to you. So yeah, that's about it. That's where you get Python. You get Python on python.org. You install it. You go to your start menu to find the editor, and then straight on IDLE, and then you click on it, and then you start coding. Thank you very much, guys. Until next time.